Good day, everybody. Are you in the market for an LED 50-watt barn light? Well, you've come to the right place. It's everything that came in the box. Got this nice light. This thing feels really sturdy, really well built. See the LEDs up there. This thing's gonna be really nice. And of course the mounting assembly here. Okay, my use for this is not next to an immediate building where I have power, so what I'm going to do is wire up a cord to it so I can plug it in and use it kind of far away from the building here. The other alternative is just wire this right to your house in an outlet, in a certified outlet with wires, you know, and just go white to white, black to black, green is ground. Here's the wire I'm going to use, and then here's the plug as well. Alright, got it mounted at the top of this thing just to see what it looks like at night. I'll be able to plug this in, no problem. And looking forward, waiting for it to get dark so I can check it out. Oh my goodness, this baby is bright. This is a wonderful light, look at that.